CityLINE channel.
So hello guys, welcome to my channel. For those who haven't subscribed, please do so in the button below. Yeah, so therefore I create a new video to complete the assignment given by our lecturer. So content today, which is to share within this period of PKP or MCO, our class actually have successfully used TV3 to learn about corrections, Creative Commons CC license, Wattpad, screencase, using Loom, YouTube, uploads, Padlets, and so on. So online learning was carried out due to the occurrence of COVID-19. So my personal experience in learning and doing online activities in this AK 20103 during this MCO or PKP period is there are many advantages that I have gained with developing a new knowledge by studying many application systems and others that relate to information technology. But despite those advantages, there are many obstacles to overcome when implementing online learning. In fact, many of the applications that I had previously had no idea how to use or even exist. For example, Padlets and Wattpads. However, the user interface is very simple and easy to use. We also use the social apps like WhatsApp to simplify the tasks assigned. In addition, lectures were held using Google Meet that I had rarely used before. So this issue that play in my mind causes a lot of problems throughout the course of online learning. The problem I often encounter in any of these online learning is related to poor internet speed, especially when applications require video meetings or any applications that require a lot of data. My laptop's web camera doesn't work, and there are a lot of obstacles I have to face while doing this online learning. My feelings during my personal experience in learning and doing online activities in this AK 20103 were uneasy and worried that the assignment I was given could not be resolved due to some obstacle I will face. On the other end, I also excited to try new learning and also enjoy being able to complete all the work that has been provided. But there are many obstacles. However, in each case, there is a solutions that can be implemented so that every online learning can be done with the cooperations of all parties. Thus, it is a valuable experience that will be useful for the futures. I believe in it. Enhancements in knowledge will never be experienced without learning and doing online activities during this MCO or PKP periods. So I will try my best to complete each of the assignment given. In conclusions, I only pray that COVID-19 will end as soon as possible, and we must win against this outbreak. So although there are many obstacles to overcome, there must be solutions. So stay at home, kita jaga kita, zero COVID-19. That's all from me. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.